I'm back. It's July 8th, 2015, and that is the mess the ducks made. Look. See that little baby bird? Help is in mouth. You know, get close to him. Yeah, I found them outside yesterday, and it was just like in an onion patch. Just sitting there on a big hose pipe. So a fireman. And then I was going to let him go. I put him back outside. He didn't go nowhere. He was falling asleep, so I kept him. I'm going to show you the eggs. Third day of hatching these eggs. Third day. Put X one side and O on the other. Put dates on both of them. So, I'm going to show you a method to try to reduce all this mess. So, stay tuned. Okay, so I cleaned it all out. And this is my secret. Cat litter. So, I came up with this myself. So you put cat litter down at the bottom. Usually I'll put a piece of plastic or something in the bottom of it, then put cat litter on it. I just didn't this time. So you put cat litter in it. I'll use this whole bag of fresh stuff. Any cat litter would do. Any cat litter. And so you just put that in there, and then put in your wood chips. I made a box. A little home. I'll show you that. So I'm gonna put the wood chips in and everything. Alright. Okay, so put wood chips in, put my house there. What I like to do, make it so I can open this up. So it already got some wood chips in there, but I like to put some more wood chips in there. These are pine shavings. If you have kept chickens, you know to use pine shavings. So you haven't. So here it is. You use pine shavings, not cedar shavings. I don't know what the difference is, but everybody says use pine shavings instead of cedar. So I fill that up a good way. Good way up, fill it up. And they love to get in there. They love it. So I'll put that back over. It's not hot. I put it inside that thing. Anyway, so here's a little secret. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But if you're deciding on getting chickens or ducks, get chickens. They're cheaper. I've said this before. They're cheaper. They're less messy. They do cause a lot of dust in your room. This is just a bookshelf. I'm using that for storage. I got feeders. I got egg cartons down there. I got automatic feeders. I made a video of how to make one of these. I made another one. I got gloves. I got bags. I got baggies. I'm going to show you. This is what I do. I cut off the bottom. It's right there. It's nasty. I gotta throw that away. I have some more. Here's two. I cut off the bottom of these milk trays right here. And this makes a feeder or water. Depends on how big you cut it, how deep. And so yeah. Where's that? And you can, this right here tomatoes came in it, and I put my feed in this. My feed, keep all my feed in here. I'm running low. I gotta go pick up some. Huh. I ain't got no money, so I don't know how that's gonna turn out. These wood shavings right here, I got a big old bag from a co-op. $8. Close at 10 when I paid for it. But I saw at Walmart they had not the same bag, but big as this bag of pine shavings for $6. So not my Walmart, a different Walmart. I think it was. Where will we go? I don't know which Walmart it was. Well, so yeah, so if your Walmart's got pine shavings for like $6, get that, maybe. If you know somewhere else you can get cheaper pine shavings, then get pine shavings. I'm deciding on making another one of these, but bigger, way bigger, or getting a $600 egg turner thing. It's like a cabinet incubator with egg turners. I really want that because I don't know how to make one with egg turners. I'm not that smart. I mean, there's my bird. I mean, you could buy egg turner trays at like Co-op or Tractor Supply store, but I don't want to do that. So I might just get a cabinet incubator. There's my cat. I'll put my hand in there. See how he opens his mouth? He thinks I'm feeding him. He hasn't ate that food like in his life. So, I don't know if he's been eating it. I have no idea. There's some water in this little red tray. And heat bulb, 125 watt. I don't know, I just decided to give that to him. This is where the baby chicks are going to go too. Just a cardboard box. Pine shavings and stuff in it. That's not his poop. I had ducks in here. Didn't clean it because they didn't stay in there for long, so I just put him in there. I'm gonna try to train the bird. Alright, watch this. He mocks me. He mocks my fingers. Watch. Wait. He's not gonna do it anymore. Huh. There you go. Well, we got some of these birds outside. I know what they're gonna look like. So they've been breeding a lot. I already caught one of them, just like him, not a long time ago, but a few weeks ago, maybe a month ago, somewhere around there. Trying to fly out. I'm gonna have to clip his wings. So, yep, there's an update. I'm gonna pause this. So let my big ducks free range outside. There's them ducks I got inside out here. Let me swim in that for a little bit. And then the chickens over there. Some right there, you see them? Yeah, I'm gonna pause this again. Got 10 seconds. So there's Peter. There's the no name. And here's Betsy inside.